Let's review QWERTOUR Portable Shoes Washing Machine. Household single tube washer and dryer machine for shoes, UV bacteriostasis, shoes cleaner. One button operation, convenient and simple, saving time and effort. Using micro shock pulse low voltage operation without any safety hazards. Mini body does not take up space, family dormitory rental housing travel is convenient to carry. Intelligent washing shoes, sterilization, cleaning, non-destructive, washing shoes only 10 to 30 minutes, clean and fast. It is made of excellent wire, good durability. It has control movement chip and continuous operation for half an hour. High-speed rotating movement, 360 degrees all-round brush for brushing washing removable nylon bristles.